Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. In today's class, we will discuss about the networking and its type. First, we will discuss about the meaning of the networking. Networking means where you use a network, two or more computers are connected to each other and they can easily share their information, they can share their data, they can share easily their resources with the help of the network. Now you can see in this diagram there are multiple connected with the help of switch and router in a single cable. And you can see here in a one resource peripheral devices like in a printer is here that can be accessible by the all the computer system. So we can see easily the say some kind of the advantages are here of the networking. Efficient of the storage media, it is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than the store a copy of the application of the other devices. Next is preservation information. We can preserving our information. It is difficult to maintain regular backup of a number of the standalone computer. So when you keep backup on a central location, we can one place to look of the lost of information. We can easily access the lost information with the help of the one computer system. Next is reduction in hardware cost. When we are using a single device, output or input device, and we are easily sharing our resources, then we can also reduce the hardware cost. Next is redundancy. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents. By the sharing files over the network, the needs to share paper copies of report for any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Next is quickest document delivery. We can easily share our document with the help of the network. Now we will discuss the types of network. Here are three types of the network: LAN, MAN, WAN, and the other is PAN. LAN means local area networking, that is under less than 1 mile. Next is MAN, metropolitan area networking. In a metropolitan area networking, it is under cover 100 kilometer. WAN, it is all over the world wide, easily spread. Its full form is wide area network. And that one other is the PAN. PAN means personalized area network. First we will discuss about the LAN. In this picture you can see there are some kind of the computer connected with a single server and one resource, we can say, that is the printer, also accessible with these multiple systems. So generally we can say that a local area network size is no more than a 1 mile. Its cost is so lower, any one single administrator can be or single person can be organized or controlled it. We can use a single cable to connecting the all the computer system or devices. Its speed is too high. Its speed is 10 mbps to 10 gbps. Generally a LAN is under a small area. For example, your college building, your office building, like an example of the LAN. Next is MAN. A MAN is in a metropolitan area network. It is larger than your LAN. It is spread across a city. Its size, we can say that it covers the 100 kilometer or 1000 kilometer to 1000 kilometer. Like you can see easily here, a single MAN is connected to the all kind of the LAN of the cities, like in a hospital, school, factory, college. These are the connecting of the local things of the city. The most common example of the MAN type of network is cable television branches of a local bank on in a city. Now third is WAN. In a WAN is an means wide area network. It is spread in the all over the world. You can see here multiple LANs and multiple WANs are connected. Man and LAN both are the connected, multiples are here. The kind of the network connects two or more computers located at far away places. They are linked by communication facilities like in a telecommunication or satellite signals. The best example of the MAN type of networking is telecom system. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.